These are the board support block service lifts. C5 is out of service because it's being replaced. Let's call one. We'll take this one first. Lift C6. That one over there is a bit bigger than this one. I'll get rides on both so you can see the difference for yourself. Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, here it is. You can see there where the shaft lights are on. Now we'll go to level 11. Unlike the old blue lifts which have touch sensitive buttons, these ones have just got normal Lexan, 2,559 kgs or 37 persons. So unlike the passenger lifts, these lifts do not go up to level 12. Well, the lift on the left, C7, that goes up to level 12, but these ones don't. So, yeah. And these ones are also a lot slower than the passenger lifts as well. 37 persons, as we can see there. Down to level 2. There's the telephone. So they've got a slightly different interior, and these lifts are also much bigger. And they're a lot slower as well. So these are also OTIS Lexan lifts from 1978, but unlike the passenger lifts which had touch sensitive, these have just got regular Lexan. That's just been, that 8 button looks like it's popped out a bit. Huh, look at that. That's supposed to be a 9, but they've installed a 6 in there, so maybe they couldn't get a 6 or something. There's no one waiting for it. So yeah, back down to level, so here we are down at level 2. Don't know how well you can see the other car moving. I would love to know, I think when these lifts get replaced, I would love to know whether they're going to keep all 3 of them on individual controllers, or whether they will change it so they'll all run as a set. I think they should change it so that all 3 should run as a set personally, because it's kind of inefficient. Doing like this, I think. So yeah, need to double check what the time is. Here we are back up at level 11. I'll call the other lift now so you can see the difference in them. Here we are up at level 11. There it goes. You can see there where the up button's been deactivated because this lift no longer, because I think level 12 is locked. Sounds like it's stopped somewhere. Yep, up it comes. Let's see, does the bell work? Nope. Unfortunately. You can oh wow, look at that. See down the shaft too. So level 1's locked, but we can go to level 2 though. So this lift's a lot So this lift, it's a lot bigger than the other two, but the capacity information though is the same. It's the same though, 2,559 kgs or 37 persons. There's the telephone. Here we are at level 3. Oh, there's no one waiting for it. So yeah. Now, yeah, we cannot go to level 12, so I'll just go back up to 11. Same cab as the other lift, as well. Oh, yeah. Right, now we'll just go back to level 3 and then we'll call it there. Down we go. I think you can. I don't know if that beaming sound. I don't know if that's them working in the other car or not. It might be, but I don't actually know. Right, here we are back at level 3. Oh. There it goes. And that's it.